This one's called Losing Myself. Okay, so quick backstory. A ton of people filled a bio test, and people in my class were like, can you write us a depressing song? So I was like, yeah, I got you guys. So.
Everything I do is not going my way. Every day's a struggle, I'm not alright. Hold me close tonight. And I've been losing myself, 'cause I'm trying to be somebody else. I'm so sick of questioning who I am and if I'm good enough to be here. I've been losing myself. I've been losing myself. Because I'm trying to be somebody else. And I've been losing myself, 'cause I'm trying to be somebody else. And I'm so done with questioning who I am, 'cause there's a reason God's got me here. I'm finding myself again. I'm finding myself again. Oh.
Thank you guys so much.